Hello, it's Matt with 5280 Armory. Today I'm going to be talking about a new pistol that we just got in stock. It's a Smith & Wesson M2.0 Compact. So let's get started. The M2.0 will have a new trigger, grip, frame, and finish, and will also be available in two different calibers, 9mm and 40 Smith & Wesson. The new 2.0 trigger has been improved with a lighter trigger pull and an audible reset. On our Lyman field gauge, the striker routinely fell at under 6 pounds with a short 1/4 of an inch reset. The grip texture is more aggressive and the grip angle was set at 18 degrees for a more natural point of aim. Furthermore, Smith & Wesson includes 4 different interchangeable back straps for the optimal fit. The magazine release is reversible and it's easy to get to. The same can be said for the ambidextrous thumb safety, which is optional. You can get the pistol with or without it. Teardown is simple with no tools required. Just a 90-degree turn of the breakdown lever and separation of the slide from the frame will reveal the new embedded stainless steel chassis that has been extended to reduce flex and torque when firing. The 4-inch barrel is stainless steel as well as the slide, and both are treated with Smith & Wesson's corrosion-resistant Armor Night finish. Sitting on top of the slide are adjustable 3-dot sights. No changes were made to the slide serrations that have a deep scallop texture that allows for a very good grip. The Picatinny rail is also the same as the full-size gun, giving lots of room for accessories. This 2.0 is compact in size and was designed to run with popular pistols like the Glock 19 or the SIG 320C. So we brought in those two handguns so we could have a look at all three of them sitting right next to each other. As you can see, all three of these pistols are close in size and weight, ranging from about 24 to 26 ounces. This shot shows that the Smith is taller than the Glock and about the same height as the SIG P320C. Notice that the 2.0's grip has a more rounded and ergonomic shape than the other two. Alright folks, there you go. That's the new 2.0 Compact in action. We had no failures to feed, fire, or eject today. Good shoot. Today's accuracy target was shot with and sponsored by G9 Bullets, rifle performance at a pistol's distance. So we're going to have this 2.0 Compact for rent and for sale down here at the shop. So if you're interested, come on down and have a look. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.